Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to install custom recovery on Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Okay, so first on our phone we need to open up the settings. You also need to be connected into Wi-Fi. If you are, go back, scroll down, click on software update and download and install. You don't need to download any update because all we need to do is to connect to the Samsung server, and we did it by clicking download and install. That's all that we had to do. Now go back, click on about phone, software information, and tap on the build number until you see that developer mode has been enabled. If it's enabled, go back, open up developer options, and we need to enable OEM unlocking. Click on enable. Our bootloader isn't fully unlocked yet. We need to power off the device, hold power button and click on power off. Remember that if you unlock your bootloader, all of your data will be erased because the phone will perform a factory reset. So I highly recommend you to create a backup of your data. Okay, now to unlock the bootloader, we need to have an USB-C cable that is also connected into our computer, and now we need to hold Bixby button and volume down key at the same time, and while we are holding them we need to insert the cable into our phone. So grab your phone, hold volume down and power and Bixby, insert the cable, don't release the fingers, keep holding until this menu appears. If it appears, hold volume up. Okay, it's asking us, do we want to unlock the bootloader? We want, so click on volume up once. Now the phone will perform a factory reset. We can see that bootloader is unlocked. For now, we can unplug the cable, and in the meantime, we need to download a few things. First, visit our page, HardReset.Info, go into download, and download Odin app. Click on search, download this version 3.14.4, that's basically the latest version. Then type Samsung drivers, click on search and download these drivers. And then type ADB and download mini ADB and fastboot with drivers. Then you can visit the mega page, the link will be in the description, and in here we can find a custom recovery for our S10. In here you can see the exact model. Click on custom recovery and we need to download TWRP and vbmeta file. Right click, download, and click on standard download, and same thing with the vbmeta file. In my case it's already downloaded. Now open up the downloads folder and we need to extract our Samsung USB drivers, mini ADB drivers, and our Odin app. You can use WinRAR for it, simply right click, WinRAR, and click on extract to. If you don't have a WinRAR, you can click on extract all and click on extract. We need to extract Odin, Samsung USB drivers, and ADB drivers. Then open up Samsung USB driver and launch this app. You need to install the drivers, and after the installation I highly recommend you to restart your computer so you'll have 100% sure that everything has been properly and successfully installed. All of the drivers will work. Then open up the ADB and begin with ADB setup. Simply click, and now on your keyboard type Y, enter, Y and enter, Y and enter. When it says all done on the bottom, everything went okay. Then install Android ADB and fastboot. Click on next. In my case it's installed, so I'll just click on repair. If you are installing it for the first time, you won't have that. And then install universal ADB driver setup. It's also installed in my case, so I'll just click on repair and finish. Okay, we can close it up for now. And now let's wait until our phone turns on. We'll have to go quickly through the setup process. We will verify the bootloader. Is everything okay? Actually, now we can launch our Odin. Click on OK. And now select the language. Click on OK, click on Start. Select that you agree, click on Next. More, and agree. Let's skip the Wi-Fi. Thanks to that, the setup process will be much quicker. Don't copy. Click on Next. More, accept, skip. Skip. Click on Finish. Okay, our phone has turned on. Again, we need to connect into Wi-Fi, so open up the settings, connections, Wi-Fi, and type password. Connect. Go back. Scroll down. Software update. Download and install. Again, all we need to do is connect to the server. We don't need to download anything or install any updates. Go back. About phone. Software information. Build number. Tap on it until developer mode is enabled. Go back. Scroll down. Developer options. And it needs to look exactly like that. So OEM unlocking feature must be enabled, and below we need to see that bootloader already unlocked. This sentence, it is important. Okay, now we can power off our device. Hold power button, power off. Now we need to open the download mode on our phone. To do it, we need to again hold Bixby button and volume down at the same time, and we need to insert the cable. If it won't work, repeat. Sometimes it takes a few tries before it launches. Okay. Now click on volume up once. Now we are in the download mode, and we can see that in our Odin, our phone appeared. If you can see those numbers, it means that everything has been successfully connected. Then click on AP. Go into downloads, select the recovery file, TWRP, open, then select user data, and select the vbmeta file. Click on open, go into options, unselect everything, and now click on start. Okay, when it says pass, it means that our recovery mode has been successfully installed. We can close the Odin for now. And now to enter the recovery, we need to first hold the power key and volume down. While we are holding them, we need to quickly switch the combination, and we need to start holding power key, Bixby, and volume up. When Samsung logo appears, release the finger from power key, but keep holding volume up. So first volume down and power. Now quickly switch. Actually, in that case, we also need to hold the Bixby key, my bad. So hold power button, Bixby, and volume up. And now release the finger from power key, keep holding Bixby and volume up, and the recovery mode should launch. It may take a few repeats sometimes, but simply keep holding and everything should be okay. Okay, here it is. Our new custom recovery has been properly installed. Now swipe to confirm. Now select wipe, format data, type the word yes, confirm. Okay, now we can go back and now we are ready to, for example, install a new custom ROM, create a backup and do many other things. We have, for example, the settings. We can change a few things in here. When we go into the advanced, we can turn on the ADB sideload, open up File Manager, open up the terminal, install TWRP app, and many more. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.